name is Ariel Lehaitre, physical therapist and Pilates instructor, and today I wanted to give you a few exercises that you can do to help restore some of the curvature in your cervical spine. Many of us end up with forward heads due to just our daily functional activity in front of a computer or sitting at a desk. We also just start to naturally then lose the curvature in our neck, which starts to create excessive stress on our neck, which leads to neck pain. So one of the main exercises I like to teach for this is a stretch for the front part of the neck. Ask you to place your right hand on top of your sternum and then cover your right hand with your left hand. Close your lips, reach your chin up toward the ceiling. See if you can start to feel a stretch through the front of your neck. What you want to avoid here is binding in the back of your neck. It should solely be a stretch in the front of the neck. And then you can start to play around with the slight angle of moving slightly to the left, feeling more of a stretch through the right front of your neck and you're scaling there, and then to the right to get more stretch through the anterior left scaling. And you could consider doing this stretch to restore the cervical curve and lordosis in your neck 3 to 5 times a day. I would love to hear what other neck stretches you like for your neck discomfort. Please mention in the comments below.